Hello everyone, so I am here at the Rangtali 2025 exhibition which is happening at Almeera Gallery for 2 days at this today and tomorrow. There are 11 brands here with me. CS 12th and 13th of September છે કલેક્શનમાં તમને ચણિયા ચોલીઝ, ફેસ્ટિવ વેર, જ્વેલરી જોવા મળશે, બ્લાઉઝીસ અને દુપટ્ટાસ પણ મળશે અને yes, since there are 11 brands you can imagine કે કેટલું બધું કલેક્શન હશે અને કેટલું luxurious collection હશે એમની પાસે. So, swipe left to see the collection. So this is brand Two Sisters. Hello. And let's see what they have in their collection.
So like हमारी पास में व्हाइट में પણ છે,
White માં છે એમની પાસે.
ડાર્ક ગ્રીન માં આવી 3 કલર્સ જે મેં પહેર્યું છે ને.
ઓકે, એનામાં બીજો કલર છે. Something in blue.
મેટલ વર્ક છે.
Metal work સાથે છે.
ડીપ મારું.
And something in a bright yellow shade that can be worn for haldi and all as well. Next we have something in pink. Yes, something in bright pink, lovely. And something in orange, lovely. This is brand Abha Attire.
હાય, we have different collection. ચણિયામાં છે આવી રીતે રોલવાળા છે. we have plain માં બહુ બધા options. then we have ombre માં બહુ બધા options.
Okay.
એમાં આવી રીતે
This is
બધા
also very
options
nice.
મળશે. even આમાં pastel shades માં બી છે. it can be customized. પછી બાદલામાં બી options છે. also we have multiple blouse options જે તમને આવી રીતે મળશે.
Okay.
હેન્ડવર્ક માં છે.
Again, મળી જશે.
કચ્છીમાં બી છે options. also we have multiple options of dupattas જે તમે બધું મિક્સ મેચ કરી શકશો. અજરકમાં છે, બાંધણીમાં છે, જોર્જેટ પર છે, ગજીમાં છે. so please visit us today and tomorrow.
Hey, this is Meghna here from ROE Gems and Jewelry. We have come with fusion silver look-like and brass jewelry. These are all statement pieces like long and short. These are all statement pieces with nice Meena work. Some eco-friendly chokers for young girls. Long fusion for young girls. And these are all tribal Afghani chokers and long jewelry. This is all spoon sets and finger rings like these and bangles. Then we have only earrings. These are only earrings. These are mantikas. Some Indian jewelry, nice Indian jewelry. Wedding jewelry. We have a whole section of wedding jewelry. And only earrings, bracelets, bangles. And these are only bracelets, earrings. And American diamond jewelry and
So this is House of Pranjal and they have got very beautiful jewelry here. તમને glimpse બતાવી દઉં છું. Very beautiful and elegant jewelry. And apart from that, she has got Navratri collection and this is her speciality. Hasli collection માં મળી જશે. Ear cuffs માં મળશે. Bugris માં મળી જશે તમને. Needles. And apart from that, if you want something like this, the long chokers ma neck pieces ma mali jashe. You'll find it in earrings like these. Wide range of earrings she has like this. She also has bracelets and kadas like these. And this is the other brand which is Nishani by JS.
Hello,
Yes.
I'm Jaini from Nishani. These are my blouses with heavy work.
Okay. Then something chanyas ma hai.
With 9-meter flare and with these are the banded chanya. These are the you can wear anywhere. Checks one.
And something in orange as well. This is brand Avran by Urvi and they have got very beautiful potlis and bandhanis here. Yes, ma'am.
These are Abbas. This is the second last show before Navratri.
Second last show છે એમનો before Navratri.
That's why I have a special 5% discount
5% discount આપી રહ્યા છે આપણને.
in all stuff.
They also have potlis like these. આ રીતની તમને બહુ જ બધી વેરાયટીમાં પોટલીઝ જોવા મળશે. Lot of them. So this is Moksha Jain label.
Hi, I'm Moksha from Moksha Jain Label. So I have really fun collection with me, which is not just limited to Navratri, but you can wear it for your festive needs as well. Something like this, something like what I am wearing in another color. And if you like, you can go for something like this. And I have a color in this one as well. Then something with a halter neck. It's not just limited to your Navratri, but you can go for other festivities as well, for or even for Diwali. Then corsets.
This is label Niana and yes. Hi.
So my brand name is Niana and we are completely into customization. As you can see, we have a whole variety of colors, the chart, and you can get any color customized for the whole collection on the rack. Basically, we are into Indo-Westerns. You can get something like this, paired with plazos and dupattas. Again an Indo-Western. Then we have some kurti and pants like the cords. Also we have some heavy stuff like the light cholis paired with a ghagra and dupatta. Also we have sarees with something like this, the blouse. And the best part is you can get everything customized. Also we have chanya cholis here. You can get this customized as well. We have something in white. You can wear it in wedding as well.
So this is Navya by Vaishnavi and they are from Baroda. Let's have a look at what they have.
So we have the traditional red chanya choli.
Traditional chanya choli છે,
Yes.
કચ્છી વર્ક કરેલું
Kachhi
છે.
work છે.
Okay.
We have the different kind of the kalamkari detailing with
કલમકારી detailing
and
છે.
ombre dupattas.
Ombre dupattas.
And if you want to go with the some modern kind of the skirt, then we have tire
Tire skirt છે.
Karachi dupattas and gota detailing blouse.
Okay.
And we have this multicolor silk blouse as well with a pink dupatta. And this is another mixed lace multicolored blouse that can be styled with any chanya choli or sari as well.
And this is Vesh by Sejal and Shraddha.
Hi, so as you already know, it's by Sejal and Shraddha, which we have a blend of traditional colors like white and maroon, green, etc. But we've also tried to blend the traditionality with the modern blouses. Like,
Okay.
of course, one can never go wrong with Rani color and the black. The material that we've used is muslin silk and moral, so it's not just for our favorite festival Navratri, but we can also wear it for other functions, Diwali, wedding, etc.
Right. Can be worn for other functions as well.
Yeah. Cream. We have dupattas which has
This is nice. This is Adya the label.
Hello, I'm Maitri and my brand name is, as you mentioned, Adya the Label. So today I've come across with new collection which is Lampa collection, one of the pieces which is I am wearing. In that we have different style options. One of them is this. The other one is this double layered chanya with Banarasi blouse. Apart from that, I also have separate lehengas if you want separate skirts. Then I have mirror collection for people who are into mirrors. I also have in chinon chiffon lightweight. Apart from that, we also have Kachhi blouses.
કચ્છી blouses માં છે એમની પાસે આ રીતનું.
Alternate cotton blouses, alternate mirror work blouses, and different color options for the dupatta. Thank you.